Carbon emissions, climate change, demand for energy resources. These are some of the greatest problems facing the global community today, but they can't be solved overnight. That's why experts are encouraging individuals to take the first step in solving the energy crisis by conserving electricity.
Well, the power generating stations use a lot of coal and fossil fuels, oils, things that are mined from the earth. And in order to run the generating stations, once the generating stations power up all the other facilities and plants that are being run around the world, they're emitting about 8 billion tons of carbon monoxide into an atmosphere of the earth that's only really capable of absorbing 3 billion tons.
Simple changes such as turning off lights and unplugging unused electronics can reduce energy consumption. But experts agree that the way electricity is currently distributed is a large part of the problem. In fact, because of the existing system, millions of motors and pumps are currently operating at efficiency levels of less than 80%, with some as low as 8 to 10%.
The utility company sends out more electricity than you need, and they do it at a very high voltage.
In addition to negatively impacting the environment, this wasted energy could be costing some consumers as much as 50% more on their utility bills. Consumers who want to conserve electricity and save on their utility bills can now install a device designed to reduce the unnecessary use of power in the home. The KVAR Energy Controller is designed to provide significant savings on utility bills, increased life of electrical appliances and motors through heat reduction, and surge protection for your home or business.
KVAR Energy Controller, it charges and releases electricity only as it's needed. So you can reduce the demand on the customer side, balance the phase, improve the voltage, and give them more electricity to use in their own plant or their own home without taking it from the power company.
So what we do is we put the KVAR Energy Controller either to a panel or to a motor, but primarily to individual motors and pumps after we've determined the amount of capacitance required to actually optimize the efficiency of those units to unity or take all the waste out. And the minute you connect it, you start saving money.
Experts advise consumers to do their research before purchasing any energy controller, since some are more effective than others.
Well, a lot of the imposter units, they're really representing them to be energy reduction units, and most of them are built wrong. They're not wired in parallel. Don't be fooled by people that come in and just want to hang a gray box on your home and tell you this is going to cut your electrical cost. It's not. You need to be shown by a distributor that has the actual training, understands the method and apparatus to determine what's installed on your home, and you need to make sure that they're affiliated with the KVAR Energy Savings Corporation where the product is produced.
Are you tired of outrageous utility bills? Do you want to increase the life of your appliances while doing something that's good for the environment? Stop wasting electricity and start using the KVAR Energy Controller.
Whenever you install the KVAR unit on residential applications, we've seen anywhere from 6 to 10% reduction in your kilowatt hour consumption. To get into commercial applications, we've seen it anywhere from 6 to 17%. You get into industrial applications with that big motors and chillers, we've seen it go anywhere from 6 to 40%.
The KVAR Energy Controller is ideal for residential, commercial, and industrial use. It fine-tunes the electrical system in your home or office, reducing overall energy consumption, which is better for the environment and for your bank account.
As you look at the line coming in, the top of the meter, you have about 5.4 amps. When we turn the KVAR unit on, the amps and the volts going to the motor load doesn't change. But as you check the amps going back to the source, you can see it drop to 1.5 amps. Whenever you reduce the amps, you remove the heat. You remove the heat, you slow the disk down in the meter. That's money in your pocket when you use the KVAR unit. You're saving money, you're saving energy, you're saving the environment when you install a KVAR Energy Controller.
Don't be fooled by imposters. The KVAR Energy Controller's patented design is effective and safe.
NASA was able to have 4 of their engineers certify an actual 9% energy reduction with the KVAR unit. Since that time and since that patent was developed, we've also upgraded to CE, which makes our product good anywhere in the European market. We have CSA, which is great for Canada. We have a UL listing, the highest UL listing standard available we conform to. All of our product is high pot tested here at the factory. We use the best wiring, the best materials. Our product, in my estimation as the CEO of the company, is the finest product on the market.
I decided to install the K-Bar energy controller to save money on my electric bill. And just the first month, I saved $20 on my bill. And that's not even, we're not even in the heat of summer yet.
Start saving today with the Planet Aware Green Certified K-Bar Energy Controller. To learn more about the K-Bar Energy Controller, visit kvar.com.